Morning! Kumusta kayo dyan? Sunday today, it's a church day, pero hindi ako magsisimba this morning, maybe this afternoon. Kasi I am busy cooking. It's our Christmas party here at home with my sisters, handmaid of the Lord sisters from Northside, under my unit. So, eto. Ready na ako. Ready na tong bahay para sa mga bisita. Ngayon, at the moment, I'm going to cook pansit. Lalagyan ko ng manok. Kaluluto ko lang ito. Okay, pritong tilapia. Yan. Pritong tilapia. Tapos, ayan, adobong baboy para sa bisita. And although, hindi ako kumakain ng baboy, pero, syempre, para sa bisita. Takpan muna natin para hindi, dapuan ng langaw. Kung may langaw man na nakapasok. Okay. Ito yung, water jug o water dispenser. Lalagyan ko yan mamaya guys ng yellow at saka lemon water. So, yeah, okay. Okay, magluluto na tayo ng pansit. Ayan. Okay, yan. Ang gamitin natin is olive oil. Ito guys, olive oil. Para medyo healthy. So, ito, ibinabad ko na yung yung bacon para sa pansit. I think it's soft enough now. So, pwede ko nang siyang tanggalin dito sa tubig. Binabad ko guys sa mainit na tubig. Kasi mas madaling lumambot para hindi na para hindi mahirap lutuin. Okay guys, luto muna ako. Bye! See ya! Sita ko, si Maria. Ito, Maria single. Single siya. Ito is hindi single. Double yung mga dalawa yan. Double. Ayun, yung isa doon single, tapos ito single din. Ito. Nakaluto na ako. Ang dami, Yan. Yan ang mga pagkain. Yan. 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 Ang dami. Yan. Pansit. And then this one. So, we're still waiting for the others. Okay. Nagse-selfie sila, picture. Picture, girl. Selfie. All right. Sis Wendy. Come on here, Sally. Come on. Can you see Vicky? There. Hello. Ay, patawarin. Yan. Okay. All right. One more. Boys. The other one. You coming into the picture, darling? Doesn't want to. Then, Mrs. Maria, down this way. Para makita yung view. Yan. Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. I should have brought mine. Saan ka na lang tingin? Oh.
It did it. You were looking away.
Uy, bakit ayaw?
Yeah, it natapos na kanina.
May tao.
Singing tayo, sister. Anis, may singing.
Ay! Merry Christmas.
You are very Christmassy, Sandra. Very yes. Hello. Dalo lang ako na.
Okay, yan. Dumating na yung isang bisita. Yan sila. Wala pa yung iba.
Wala pa.
Okay. Hi, friend. Thank you for coming, friend. Yes. Okay. Na, dumating na sila. Yeah, busy. Kain muna tayo kasi nagugutom na ako, hindi pa ako nag-lunch, ay nag-breakfast. Yes. Video. Hang on a minute. Yep, okay. So, another picture. Ayan, mahilig sila sa picture. Oh. Ayan, oh. What's that? Huh? Ano daw? Oh. Okay. Tawarin. Ayan, mahilig sila sa picture. Umuusok na naman ang mga phone, mga camera.
Ano sa kanya, kaya transit siya.
Umuusok ang camera. Look at this, ang linaw. Tunga. May boyfriend ka na, Eb?
Wala pa.
Ah! Sabay ganun dun sa mga. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club.
Wala ka na rin.
Zero.
Malapit tayo.
Ayan na, oh. Tapos na kaming kumain. Ngayon, meron kaming games. Okay. Yeah, no, not on live. A video. Hey. Woo! Monito, exchange gift. Okay.
Here is to my secret Santa. Dili na secret.
Ang saya-saya. Ang saya-saya. Hooray! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hooray! Hooray! Hip hip!
Make sure you do it, okay? Bakit ayaw ni you execute what's the next one of the last one. Okay?
It's only hep for it.
Only two, okay? If you say hooray, that's wrong. Alright?
We are hip, you're alright.
Okay, one more time. And
Hooray! Hooray! Hip, hip!
you kiss me first, Lola. Kiss Lola.
Thank you for coming. Salute! Salute! Okay. Merry Christmas! Ako na sis. Okay. Ingat sa drive ah. Ayan.
Who gave that to you?
Did you say thank you?
Yeah, that's alright. Okay, see you, Salek. See you. Pangalan yung isa? Xander. See ya.
Thank you, Fireheart.
Yep. Hello again, guys. Nagpapahinga na ako. Kapagod. Mahirap din yung ikaw ang host pag may party. Kasi pag alis ng mga bisita mo, ikaw lahat ang gagawa. Magliligpit, maglilinis. So, medyo pagod. Pero okay naman, masaya naman dahil masaya naman kaming lahat. At the best thing of it is I don't have to drive to go to attend kasi dito na nga sa bahay ginanap. So it is better for me, although na medyo pagod, pero okay na rin yun kaysa pag-drive ng malayo, lalo na ngayon pag nag-overspeed ka lang ng kahit 3 k's, more than 3 k's lang doon sa speed limit, you have to pay your fine. Pag nahuli ka, you have to pay, I think it's $344 plus it's double demerit points. So yeah, it's better this way, na dito na lang sa bahay. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night guys. Bye.